just every process here is a lot of work. So, okay, there's tile. Well, how do you get tile off the floor? Well, you scrape it back and forth. And so that's like one little, section of this. And we have many more sections to go. This is the job of getting the old linoleum tiles up off the other tiles that they put on underneath. And it's a hard job. They really like to stick there, and a lot of the tiles are, of course, damaged. But the glue stays kind of forever. It's very impressive glue. Sometimes when you get it going, you find wet glue underneath because there's such big gobs of it that it's still wet all of these many years later. It all starts like this with concrete on it from them doing the roof. So you first have to chip the concrete off, then you get to the vinyl tile or whatever it is underneath, and then you get to the glue, and then you get to the actual
existing tile.
Underneath existing tile.
It's a pretty good shape.
So, yeah, so we have a process here that takes many, many hours.